Effective testing and debugging. In this section, we're going to take a look at integrating Crashlytics to help us deal with errors in our app, and then we'll use the test lab to test our app on multiple devices simultaneously. And then we'll be conducting A/B tests to test different configurations of our app with different groups of our users. Introducing Firebase Crashlytics. In this video, we're going to take a look at what is Crashlytics and how can it help us. If there's anything that can ruin a great app, it's those pesky bugs. With Firebase Crashlytics, you can spot bugs your users encounter and fix them before they cause too much damage. When a fatal error is encountered, a report will be sent to the console. The report contains the location of the bug by default, and you can configure a crash report before it happens to add some context, like logs, key value pairs, and the value of certain variables when it happens. Non-fatal errors can be reported as well, so when your app malfunctions but doesn't crash, you can send those to the console as well for a full report.